What's up guys, Phil here, and once again welcome to Phil Garage. Today we are going to be building an exhaust on a blue pickup. I'm not entirely sure what pickup it is. It might be a Chevy or Ford. It's all the same thing. It's from America, so it doesn't matter. Miguel, the owner, said I can build some crazy headers, so I'm gonna build some crazy headers. So let's not waste more time. Check it out. So I got the first runner in, so now I know exactly where we're going. Started with the second one. The problem here is the distance between here and here, it's about 3,000 kilometers. For those of you that don't know what kilometers is, it's like miles, but for men. Ah, it's so far! So much better. Alright, so now we've got runner number 2 tacked up in, got some structure. Time to start on the other side. Five o'clock on a Friday afternoon. I'm gonna go home. So I got the header stacked up, and I've worked this out. There's about 11 welds per runner, and if you add them all together, it works out to about 3 million welds. So let's get cracking. So we got the headers welded up. Now it's time to heat the flanges and the collectors. Let's get it done. Now I've been building exhausts for many years, and I still don't know what banana branches are, but these kind of do look like bananas, don't they? Anyway, check what they look like and then let's fit them. at this point, you probably want to hear what it sounds like. So let's not keep you waiting. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? Unfortunately, guys, this one again doesn't start. But what I'll do is I'm going to track it down as well as the other V8 twin turbo one we did. And as soon as they are running, I will definitely be posting a video of the sound. So don't forget to subscribe so you can catch that. And next up, we've got a Chevrolet Apache to do, and this one does start. So you're going to be hearing exhaust sound of that one. So until next time, catch you then.